Okay, it looks like we are live, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on some more core utils stuff, so Kano utils. Let's see, today I'd like to implement get opt long. So Prala has been working on get opt, the regular one. And I'm pretty sure he's almost done with that. I'm going to be working on the long one, so basically you can have long args. So regular one, you can have single flags like this, right? But with the long one, you can have longer flags, so like log file, something like that would be a long arg. Yeah, so I haven't really used these functions very much, so I don't know a whole lot about them, so I kind of have to be learning. Hey Tim, how you doing? But yeah, I'm gonna try to work on that. So I am in the remove directory, so I'm gonna implement it to remove.c once it is done. But yeah, so I set up this and I can build it and such, but basically I'm gonna read through it and figure out how exactly it all gets set. So like get opt long, I'm not gonna make it exactly the same. Like I think there's probably some extra things that we don't necessarily need that we can implement when we need them, right? But yeah, basically you pass a struct, and then that is where you, well, an array of structs, and you can have all of the information in there that you need. Okay. So get off long. Yes, that's all the arguments to it. So I'm gonna start by just basically going through some arguments. Another day of reinventing the wheel. Yes, yes indeed. I am doing quite well myself. Right, so let's see, do that. And yes, there's going to be a few arguments that we need. So we need argc, obviously, and then rv. Pog, Texan, how you doing? Hello, hello. Mr. should not be saying those kinds of words. Let's see, so yeah, I'm going to type it out. Let's see, so we need that. And then, what? We have the strings. That's like the regular one, right? Right. Let me push normal. Alright, yeah, I'll take a look at that as well, because that may be helpful for some understandings. Yeah, I should probably write it in JavaScript. That's probably a good idea. I mean, JWord. Okay, so I'm not going to make it constant at the moment. So options. And then, let's see, so this takes a struct. So I will make a struct. It doesn't need to type that. Java what? Right, so this has, I'm just going to worry about the name and the value at the moment. Push-ups? Alright, push-ups. We'll do 10 push-ups. Right, so it can be cons and then down. Alright. Alright, yeah, 10 push-ups. Done. 2.5. Because the other day, when they were 1500 or whatever, I had to do 60 push-ups. So I decided to make it just a little bit more. Yes, so I'll start with this and try to implement that. So let's see. We need to, and then we need some global variables as well. It was 1500 before, so I just added 1000 to it. Yeah, so there's these global variables. So we definitely need opt_kind and then opt_arg. Externs that so we can include it. Do we need that? Probably should. Part 2. Yeah, this time it was even worse actually. Yeah, it was more than that. So yeah, so I'll make it external or whatever later. Alright. Yes, we need that. So that's how much we're going to iterate it by. It'll be 1 by default, because you're always going to iterate over that. And then opt_arg. Yeah, so it'll point at it, so it doesn't... it can be null. That's right, but I just send it to null. Okay. options, and then wait, what was the last thing? Long index. What does that do? Points to a variable which is set to the index of that. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I think as long as we have some basic functionality, it should be enough to use. New font. Yes, it is a different font. It is the Ubuntu font, because that's the one that I don't know why I like it. 15k points and spend it all at the same time. Just a bunch of push-ups. Or what else is there? Yeah, I have to do the Emacs thing as well. I mean, it didn't complete, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, yeah, push-ups, that's the only interesting one. Alright, yes, we need to iterate over it, and this is how much we will iterate by. But first of all, we can set the program equal to RV, right? Okay. Yeah, and then wall, let's see. Let's do right. JetBrains Mono is still the best. Alright, let me take a look at that one. I'm not very familiar with fonts, I just kinda don't even pay much attention. JetBrains Mono. I mean, I have heard some good things about it for sure. Let me look at what it looks like. Push, check it out. Alright, will do. Is this it? Where is C? What the heck? Let's look at Java. Okay. I see. Nerd version. Okay, how do you find that? Nerd, let's see. Just want to see what it looks like. Is it going to be in images? I don't know. I don't want to download it. Second one. This. Does it have examples? Oh yeah, preview. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. All right. And what is the other one? Hacks. Is that gonna be on here? Hacks. This. Better than hacks. How about let's see. Yeah, there we go. Best font. Hack, not hacks. Okay. Hack. All right. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, but I don't. Yeah. Maybe I'll try one of those. Hacks, whatever. Hack. Yeah. Hang on. So that was the I lost it. Let me go back here. Whoops. We'll try both. Yeah. JetBrains. There we go. All right. Yeah. That's what. Okay. Yeah. I don't know which one necessarily looks better. Maybe I should have a poll in the Discord. Yeah, so I'm going to look at this. Let's see. Implementation of GetUp. Is it in here? Is it? Yeah, right here. All right. So is it going to be a shared thing then? So you just like include it? Okay. Alright, yeah, so all those. So those are used for the long run as well, I think, right? Right. Okay. Alright, I thought it was indented and I was very confused. Yes. Alright. Yeah, so I'll make this one in the same way then. Next, char. Right. Get opt-in, alright. Get opt-in, let's look at that. Yes, you passed that there. Right, okay, I see. Not completed yet, do not test. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna read through it and get like an idea of how it works. If you say hack and refine is better than JetBrains mono, do refine again, I'll give you a 1 whole second timeout. Yeah, probably deserves a ban, right? Maybe remove root. Okay, now I want to run it. Can't say things like that. It's over. It's over. Okay, yeah, so that's just getting the index. That's fine. Next char. Next char. Where is next char set? Yeah, okay. Well, next char is that. Then do that. Okay. More of a 4-space indent guy, but can you just actually made me notice that 2 spaces are great too. It's all good. Whatever works. Yeah, usually I like 4 spaces as well. It's Jover. It's so Jover. Okay, valid option. Uh-huh. Okay. Get up the exchange. Jump equals that. Oh, okay, so you swap them. I see, I see, I see. Not muted yet. Here, I'll take care of that for sure. I'm just kidding. Just kidding, just kidding. Exit. Wait, is this a label? It's Jover. Admin abuse. Okay, okay. Right. Alright, so I'll try to do something like that. So let's see. Oh wait, can you do this? No, wait, hang on. You have to. That's right? So we get the next one. We're allowed to do that on there. Let's have it set up to this one right now. To get rid of that. For 1 whole second. All the messages were deleted? What the heck? Deletes them all? On your favorite program, on your parameter. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. So that should work then. And then we can look at all the stuff in there. So let's just start. Let's see if. Okay, let's set the current. What's that? If current. Do that. There. Can you do that? I'll just do this. Can you do that on Windows 5? So should work. And then timeout deletes all the user's messages. I suppose so. I think just for, well, no, maybe not for this stream. You delete them all forever? No, okay, not all of them. Just for this stream, I guess. That is interesting. I did not know that. I've never timed anyone out before, so. Current equals that. And current plus plus does not equal that. Then that means it's an option, right? Whoops. Otherwise, it is not an option. Okay. So we have that. Then we can, we have to iterate over it. And, well, the next thing, if the next one, it should be maybe current plus 1. Right, so the next one. Pseudo ban pro reason equals hack beater. What does beater mean? I do not know that word. Okay, and then, well, actually, I do want to, maybe it can be plus plus here. Because we do want to, well, we don't want to iterate it if, well, we just need to check what it is, right? So then, hang on, what do you set, set for the, when it's not a flag? How does that work? Like, which one is for that? Which of these? Is one of these like the index? Opt. Option. I not see where it is. It's an error message. So hang on. And I'm really good at website about interpreters. Yes, sir. Crafting interpreters, goated. I've not read all of it, but I have looked through some of the pages of it. It is very cool. Build your own lists. I've not looked at that one. Could be cool. Proposal for Twitch. For Twitch, the company? Sudo equal slash. What does it return? Let's see. So return value, yeah. So it's just -1 if it is that. If it encounters an option character that was not an op string. Right, so it returns the value of the option, right? Saw that one time, but forgot its existence. Sudo timeout would be slash timeout. Hack is mid. Maybe all the fonts are good, especially Comic Sans. Yeah. So what is it? Wait, what is this one? So what is the opt-arg? What do you use that for? Corrupt. Opt-arg. Okay. Get our places a pointer to the following text in the text of that. Not arg. Wait, so is that what that is the argument? Okay, so that makes sense. Option. So that points to the argument, right? All the messages are gone. Okay. Can't even see it anymore. I did not see what it was said. Right, so I guess like this. Actually, I don't want to iterate this here. Extreme admin abuse, for real. For real. The whole 2 seconds. Okay. So I think that's right, but that might be wrong. I don't know. And then, you don't return anything. You don't return that, but you need to set, each time you iterate it, at the end when you return, you want to return, well, you don't want to return, you want to set, people died in 2 seconds? How many? Like, to watch the world burn. Okay, and then wall, not equal that. Current plus plus. So then, I want to, well, no, here, first I want to check if the next one, so if, it's 1 equals, not like that, equals that, then it's a long arg. Long arg, or long op. Else, I'll do that. I think. I don't know, I'll try it out and see what works. Okay, walla. Plus plus. Okay, so well, we only need a plus plus once for that one, right? Because that is a shorter one. Well, okay, because we need to return that. And then, okay, so what is it that keeps track of the index, right? So if you have something like Something like that. How do you, which one keeps track of that? Is it opt off? That is it. So, alright, so that places that there. So then what is its element? Turns successfully each of the option characters. Okay. Next, the next element to be processed. Okay. Failed all the English classes. So you don't even know English? And next to that, okay. Finds another option character, returns that character, in the external value opt on in a static variable next char. Where is next char? So that the next value get up can resume that. So where does it say next char? That's the image. Okay, so we need that. Is that right? Okay, next char. So we have the options, right? So this is, well, we need also the option string. Well, or the, so that's the options stir. And then we need the lowercase o. It shouldn't be called just options, but it could be whoops, I forgot. Long op. Okay. So that, and it will be a pointer to that. And actually, we need to call it ops. Longs. Okay, because that is an array. So we'll get to that. Okay, so this if it's in, right? How would that be called? Hey Mo, how you doing? What is up? Stir, right? Returns a pointer to the first occurrence of the character C. So what is it? Null if the character is not found. Just finished your exams. Nice. Glad to hear it. Yeah, it has been a while. Glad to hear that you're doing good. One whole second. Okay, returns a pointer. So I think I can use that, right? I think we're allowed to use that, so. What did I miss? Well, let's see. So I've been working on Kano script. I don't remember if, were you here when I started working on that? I'm not sure, but Kano script. I can open that. I'm not working on that now, but I have been working on that. Which is just a scripting language. And then I also have just more recently started working with a couple other people in the Discord. We're working on re-implementing core utils. So that is there as well. I can put that in the chat if you want to look at that. Yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff that has been worked on. Not worked on Kano in a bit for any major features, just like bug fixes and stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it though. Was just beginning. Yeah. So now it is farther along. Let's see. So what do you pass there? You pass the string and then the character. Okay. Current and then. Well, we need all of them. So can't. What if I make right now, right? So stir actually we have that. First occurrence of the substring. Yeah, well, I don't want that, so it's not really that. I'll do that, and then pass, well, I mean, hang on, so, structure, alright, so if I do that, and then, it's not equal null, if we could return null there, well, yeah, structure, and that takes HR, stir, and then HR, yeah, well, no, it's not a character there, stir, but we really want to, well, that's not quite right. Really what I want, though, is to take the current one and see if that is in there. So, yeah, actually, I want to do that. Do it the other way. Anti-J-word dictatorship. Well, I mean, everyone pretty much already agrees. Option stir and yeah, so the curve, like that, curve. So I suppose I could use that. Just use that one. That is not null. Maybe we'll set the current character to that. Let's find out here. Next char. Let's set next char equal to that. Should we ban the local tags? I can't ban a mod, unfortunately. Pro 15. How many are there? Pro 16, Pro 17. No, I think we should not time anyone else out. So we do that, and me too. So then we can return. Otherwise, we iterate it. Well, we want to return that. We want to return question mark. But if it's a if argc equals 0, we also need to iterate it by opt on, right? Opt in. Option index. Emo now. What exactly are you working on right now? I'm working on re-implementing get opt long, that function, which is here. Get opt long. I'm re-implementing that so we can use it in the some of the core utils for getting flags and things like that. Sure, return that. Yeah, so I meant to do to dereference it. Yes. Man, get opt 3. Yes, that is it. What is core utils? It's just like the there's like GNU core utils and stuff. Basically, it's just the things like this. So we have like mkdir, remove, removedir, things like that. Basically those functions. Yeah. Like basically the core utilities that you would have on your system. Okay. Yeah, if you want to work on one, there is quite a few. They're in the issue, so if you come to the GitHub and you pick one, you can comment on it and say that you're working on it, if you want to, you know. Okay. RB. XR should be oh yes. All right, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, peek and see what we can do. All right, very cool. So iterate by that amount, and then know what we are there. We also need to argc. Here's that, and we need to check check if it's null. I think we can do that. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Unused variable program. Let me do that actually. Even if I do that. As long as it's unused, that's fine. And for the program, that is fine as well. So we'll use that when we start printing errors. Alright. And if I call that. A program that has a 25% chance to power off your computer, a 50% chance to do nothing, and a 25% chance to reboot it. Well, there should be a 1% chance of deleting everything on the system. Deleting the root directory. Okay. Well, that should be an integer probably. RB. That'll be no for now. Alright, so I don't know, that might loop forever. Yes. It's not equal negative 1. Right. Do that instead. See if I 0.0% one chance of deleting your GitHub account. That is a good idea. See if I can figure out a way to do a print working directory, but I'm not sure. I think someone did that already, actually. You can use the C standard library for it. But yeah, I think someone did print working directory already. So you might have to pick a different one. They didn't comment on the issue, but they did do it. Okay. And let's see, so we iterate that. Right, and then we have to skip over the next jar as well. So, let's see. Next jar, so that is. Let us start as that for this one. Well, maybe that's not right. Chimon, okay. Sounds good. Let me read through this again. Not that one. Yeah, so I'll get to the long stuff after. Should I start from this? Like, take this one. Yeah, I guess I could implement it in here as well, since that's already there. So maybe I'll do that. I'll pull like a, pull it. So let me actually check this because I did that. Hello, Sigma. Get opcore. I do not know what that means. What should my foundation look like for the file? How many arguments? Here, well, you can look at one of the other files. Right, so something that like echo is implemented, you could look at that and see how its file is structured, like stuff like this, like you want this stuff, include version info, things like that as well, if you want to get an idea. And also you want to run plain format on the files before you push them. Okay. So I will put that one in here. Yeah, I'll do it on the other branch after. But this is the main one, so we're good with that. Let's see. Yeah, so I want to. Yeah, so I'll put it in this file as well. I did not realize you already had all this stuff for setup. I should have looked. You had the header file. Why am I beginning? I'm not gonna work on this one. I'll do the regular one. Where is .c? Right here. Okay. Do the long one. Yeah. I'm not doing the long only. Or do you want me to do that one? We're using Kano. Yes. Alright. I estimated it was fine. Like that. The formatter's just gonna do what it wants anyway. Do the long one. Hold up. Wait, do you want to do the long only one or the regular long, like this one that has both? Regular. Okay. Sort the project. Yeah. I haven't looked into that. That has been something that I wanted to do, but yeah, shouldn't be that hard. Yeah, that is okay. You could do that if you want to, or I could do it. Whatever. Long only one float. Yeah, for real. Okay, so yeah, we need to do that stuff. So what we have opt arg, and then let me read through this again. So get opt and get opt long. Get opt, it gets the ones that are like this, the single ones, and then get opt long is a longer option, and then it also does the same. And the long only does only the long ones. Get opt index, so that just gets the index of that. Yes. Okay. It's not graded. Okay. Okay. Oh, you got to go. I did not see that. Yeah. See you later. Core opt. Okay, I see. Right. Oh, you could have some of the stuff is the same. Alright, so skip past that, right? Yeah, and then it swaps it at the end. Okay. Right, well, let me just take it as a study. No, I do not think it fully works at the moment. makes sense. So where is the right there. Okay, I see. What is that? Why is it like that? See, okay. I'm not sure why it was indented different. Probably just copy paste. Alright, let's see. So we can do that. And do that. So we do have to look if there's two dashes. Let's see. Go over here and okay. Let's see. So let's yeah, I can use the alright. I did not know. Yeah, we do not have it, so let me do that there. Do it like this. Get on dot h. Then I can test it. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you doing? Right. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Actually, I messed something up. Yeah. That is an issue. There we go. Okay. Pause. Listen, that's not me, right? Alright, so that didn't actually compile properly, so we can use that for testing. Okay, you can? I was not sure. Not sure if that was set up. Okay, cool, cool. Thank you. So alright, so I want to see what happens if it is called, right? Oh, okay, yes. Why is it regular? It's a single right now. TR. Then C. I want to be output of it, so there. What the heck? Alright, I made a change to paint on him. I actually broke stuff, so I need to fix that. We had to leave now. Okay, see you later. Have a good one. Okay, that was. Then what does it say for that? But opt art that gets sent. Okay, that is not what it said. Okay. Sand and swaps the line. And then oh, if it has that, okay. Okay, I see. Okay. And okay, I see. I understand. All right, all right. Yeah, what's fine? I just have to ask you right here. Either way, that's what you're doing. I okay. Yeah, I need to fix that. What is that one called again? Got that. No, I'm not testing that anymore. I was testing a different thing. I was using the wrong thing. How to open? Control N. Yeah, okay, that's what I wanted to test. Okay, okay. So I just need to check for double slash. There's two places where that is checked. Right, so is it going to say invalid option? Alright, it does a question mark. And it says invalid option. Okay. Dash dash without anything means end of options. Okay. That. Oops, I need to. Okay, I see. How to open the file tree in Kano. Control N. Control N. Okay. Control N, yes. Right. So equal that, that. Okay. Right, I see. Alright. So I need to check first before that. So if next char it's a long right. Let's see. Is that checked before this? Did PR scan? Alright, I will look at it after the stream. Thank you, I appreciate that. Very cool. Not odd. Yeah, quite simple, yes. It just did not bother me much, so I did not think about doing it necessarily. But yeah, it is a good idea, and it probably will make things faster as well. Okay. Right, I see. Mm. Okay. Mm. That. It's the wrong one that I am modifying. Well, no, it's the right one. I'm calling the wrong one. That is what I meant. I don't know why I deleted all that. To make this the wrong one. That's the thing here. Let's look at this. And let's see. Uh-huh. The source code. I don't want to copy it. Yeah, long. Oops, wait. No, that is not. Alright, that is not that. Here is the. Okay. Alright. Process long option, I see. Get up one.c. Okay, that's bug. Huh? There we go. Mm, right, okay. Wait, why did I scroll to the top? Is the function. Alright. Bit of a maze, yes. Switch just calls get out internal setting here. Yeah, okay. So what does that pass? 0, okay. Okay, get out internal R. Which is that one. Okay, string. So then, what was? Cannot data. Okay. Okay, option index equals 0. Or plus. What does plus mean? What is this one? OpenBSD? Oh, this is the BSD one, okay. Yeah, maybe I'll look at that one. That might be also on GitHub, which I could pull one of them, but yeah, it might be easy to read. Yeah. And it was where it was at, but get opt internal. Uh, okay. Chart is null. Right. Next chart was null, or that. Let's the next one. Permute ordering. Huh. Just process some options following non-options, exchange them. Alright, that's the exchange. That makes sense. Behind is something on C. And that. Alright, makes sense. This one does not look too bad as well. Look at this. Get opt long. Turn skipped resumed. The one is so short. Yeah, it's not very long. It's 148. Not too bad. Permute. Blog page for Kano? Interesting. What is a good way to host a blog? Oops, that. Right. Okay. Opens ChatGPT. Maybe. Could do that. Heck. Okay. All the Kano's things. Okay. What is that? Okay, just that makes sense. Done equals 1. Uh-huh. Or that. Not that, alright. Skipped. Where is skipped? Okay. Oh, it's up here. Okay, I see. Wait, rejects plus X or that. Okay, well you can rejects. Well, you can do rejects, but I think you need a library for that, right? Or is that in the standard library? I'm not sure. But I think you could implement it to get opt as well, right? Because this actually checks it by default. I do not think ours does. For the arguments, you know? Like this checks for A plus. Yeah, get opt also supports that. Yeah, so once that's done, you'll be able to use that. Okay. It's that. So, okay, skipped is that, and then resumed is that. Right. Okay. What's next I have? Yes. Oh, yeah, there's also the other thing. Okay, okay. Let's do advance it though. With the inodes. Mm-hmm. And where is C? That is here. Use the GNU get ops for now until our get opt is completed. Yeah, I can probably do that. Yeah, you can just use get ops then. You can here you can do what is it? Yeah, get opt. Let's just get opt. Yeah, you can look at that. Get opt here. I thought there was the S. Yeah, and you can look at how it works in here, and you can use that. You can just pass a string to it, and it will return the options. Okay. And then yeah, then we can switch it out with ours. So Okay. Does it not do that? I have to start expert. Alright. Very cool. That one would be cool. Expert. A lot of stuff to consider, but I guess it's really not that bad. It's just parsing basically. Small est. Mm. Oh, regular expression as well. I did not know that was part of it. Parenthesis of support. Alright. Yeah, I did not know you could do all that. I knew this stuff, but not the string stuff. Okay. You need to do the exit stuff though as well. Right, so that's for that. change something. Doing it over here. Give me a second to update Kano. Okay. Yes, now it should stop doing that. Yeah, okay, that's better. So Kano commit broke the readme. Why? Wait. What is wrong with it? The bottom link. Oh shoot. Thank you. Yeah. I know what happened. Okay. Yes. Okay, yeah, it just cut off the last character and it broke it. Yes, thank you for letting me know that. Yeah, so I will look at this. How... Okay, it's not large at all. Yeah, I'll look at it now since it is 10 lines. Okay. Right, okay. Yeah, I will, wait and make sure. So I'll make sure it works. Yeah, so let's see. And yes, okay. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, stash A. Alright, alright. Yeah, looks good. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, and it does not look like it would break anything, so appreciate it. Will merge. Okay. Alright, now I will update Kano again. So I can have that scale. Yes, yes. Yes, you will. Okay. Very nice. I need to add search to it as well. That would probably be cool. Let's not do that. Stay. Is it not change it? What is it including it from? Same branch. I don't know. Stay. It's the wrong one. That's why. No, I'm just not talking. I am trying to think. How you doing, by the way? What is up? I'm having an issue, so I am thinking. I apologize. Mm-mm. Yes, hello. What is up? About to go to bed, but now you're curious what you're up to. Alright, well, I can talk about it. So, a couple of people in the Discord um, are working together to implement pretty much all of the core utils, right? Yeah, so we have a few done right now, and right now, what I'm working on specifically is get opt long specifically. Working on that, but I'm having some issues. But yeah, basically, I can give a link to the project. It's just the core utils. So I'm sure you know what that is. So don't need to tell you. Yeah. So a few people have been working on it. There's some pull requests as well. Yeah. I think there's like 26 of them or something like that that we have laid out currently. Mm, what's the point of rewriting anything when you can't even say that you wrote it in your bus? That's a fair point. Echo and ls done. Okay, yeah. So I can go to echo. So here's echo. Build it. So echo can type out a string, right? Or what are the R's of echo? I do not remember all of them. I think it's just dash n, right? So no line. And some other stuff. There's also the these escapes, right? Things like that. There's also the version and help. I guess there is no help. Never mind. Yeah. The escape there. Yeah, cool stuff like that. So I can show some code. I did not write this code, by the way. Nothing that I wrote is actually currently merged. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so version, there's the version, print version. This could be updated probably to include the. Oh no, it hasn't. Never mind. That yes, there's not very many flags for it, so it's just handled like that at the moment because we did not re-implement get opt yet fully. There is help, but it does not work. Or no, you have to do it differently. Hang on. Yeah, there we go. Then it shows the just the man page. Yes, and then what was the other one? LS. Yeah, LS. That one has a bit more stuff going on. Yeah, ls, show the files, dash l, la. There's reverse as well. Yes, things like that. Very cool stuff. But yeah, you did make a fair point about C, or about Rust rather. Yeah, that. Yes, that outputs all that. Very cool. Mm. How complete are the individual re-implementations? What do you mean? I mean, the ones that I showed have most of the flags. So I think Echo is has all of them, right? Not okay. Well, it has N and E. It does not have. I don't know if it had uppercase E, but then it had the rest of them. And then LS and C. So, yeah, I think mostly. Maybe not all these things. Yeah, it's not all of that for sure, but Six Flags. The more commonly used ones are implemented. But yeah, I guess LS has quite a few different things. And those are the ones that are complete at the moment. Or pretty close to complete. There is some pull requests as well, which I think are mostly implemented as well, like cat and print working directory. Then I have remove, which is getting there, but I am not this. This is not it. It's on a separate branch because I'm working on other stuff now before I get back to that for flags. Screen became orange as well. Okay. So I don't understand. Like I cannot change anything. It does not do any change. Like I can make this return 0, and then if I try to use it, it does not work. Does it work for that one? And I change everything. Yeah, it's not work. Why is that? I don't know. I don't understand why. Mm, I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's that. Okay. Yes, I do not know why, so I cannot do anything. It doesn't let me write any. Oops. Um, I don't understand why though. So I don't know what I am supposed to do about that. Well, I'm having an issue where I am right. So I have it included. I'm included here, and I'm using it here, right? And it functions, but I cannot change anything. If I change it in the C file, it does not update. It only like updates in the header, obviously, because I'm including it, but it is not linking with the file that I'm editing, and I do not understand why. So I could put something in here at the start of the function, then compile it, and it does not do that. It does not do what I changed it to do. And I'm trying to figure out why. Is that what it is? Well, no, because it's including it from the proper header, actually, because I can change the header, and it changes. Like, if I change something in here, so I make, change this to need another argument, then that works. Right, it will confirm. So it's not the header. It's just I cannot change the C file. Hmm. So recompiling that file. How do I make it do that? Edit the source. Oh, okay. Can I edit here or in the comments or the other? Okay, which one should I add it in? Base? Oh, okay, and just this one. All right. Let's do that one. Okay. Dot build. Why is it dot build? Oh, that is not defined. Okay. Sorry. Okay. It's in this folder directly. Okay, put that whole thing on. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yes, thank you for your help. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with files. If I can. Should work now, actually. Okay, that did actually work this time, so yes, good. Okay. So what is it's the magic thing, so it works both in the Google Makefile and all the local ones. Okay. Okay, well that is not. That's fine. Whoops. Forgot to the magic thing trademark. Make. Wow. So right, we have to check if it is in the if it is one of the structures. Make a struct. And how is that defined? Name, right. Kano OS. I think it is with the capital C. Here, well, basically, I think you just have to run the build script currently. Let's see. So, yeah, you have to build all these things. And then, yeah, use the setup sh. And yeah, I guess you can just run it. I guess there is make that you can run. Yes. And I think it is capital C, so I can put a link there as well. Okay. And what are the other things? Has on is 0. So I do not need to set that. That equals 1. Right. But it needs to be an array. Then I think we can just set this to null. Do that. We'll change it like that. Okay. And let's see, let's go back here. So I want to get that working with just the two attributes, then we can worry about the rest after. Okay, so if it is that, then we need to read it as so. So as such. Iterate this at that point. And then go to exit. It does all of that. And it switches those, yeah. So we set C equal. Well, we don't really want to return this option. Well, we need to get the correct one. So we need to iterate over. And if it is, if the name is in there, well, we need to iterate next char first. Right. Well, I should just do wall. Okay, it's not equal though. Then we can ops. Let's see, line ops. Name. So we need the name with the next char. Then we have to do all this stuff. Why not have to iterate all those? I'll need to figure that out. And again, alright, have a good one. Have a good one. Yeah, so we want to set C equals on ops. So if we get the N, and we can also alright, that's not quite string.h. I think we can do that. I add the original KNOS logo thing. I still have the original in my files, and the one in the repo is kind of low res. Yes. Well, you can probably make a pull request, and then I can merge that as well. I think I have permission to merge it. So if you do that, then yes, for sure. Let's see. Nope, I put the capital. Okay, we want to look at see, I'm not sure what you're supposed to compare, but the name, if that's null. I can vectorize it for you if you need. What do you mean? Oh, the logo. That might be a good idea. Okay. Turn that, and then we need to actually iterate it properly. Okay. IDX. The index. It's not right. That is probably, well, let's try. Let's see. Shoot, I have to go. So, let me see. Yeah, I'll probably work on this off stream. Would have got more done. If I figured out the make issue earlier. Let's see though. Let me see. Into that, and then we go here. I do need to check that, but you have to check null and all that stuff, but it does find that and return it. So then we need to iterate it properly. If it is incorrect. debug it out basically. It's not. It's okay. It's not printing the other option though. Let's get that name. Next jar and see. Yes, they are the same. Okay. So it goes there and it goes to exit. Oh, we want to do that next. Skipped over one. Is it that? Right. So it says log file. Right, so I need to work on that. So I will commit it, but I do have to go. Okay, I'm not gonna push anything. Okay, yes. So I will yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.